Are you wondering how to use Folk CRM for customer success? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive straight into the features of Folk CRM, how it can help you achieve customer success, and why it's such a powerful tool for managing relationships. Stick around because at the end, I'll share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to Folk CRM. Folk CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses track, manage, and nurture relationships with their clients. The key here is simplicity. Unlike other CRMs, Folk prioritizes ease of use and customization, making it ideal for teams who want to streamline their processes without overwhelming complexity. One of the standout features of Folk CRM is its clean and minimalistic design. It doesn't bog you down with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters, managing relationships effectively. Whether you're dealing with leads, customers, or partners, Folk gives you the tools to store detailed information in one place and provides intuitive ways to track communication and interactions. When you start using Folk CRM, the first thing you'll notice is the flexible, highly customizable tags and filters. You can tag contacts based on various categories, such as lead status, interests, or even customer support priority. This allows you to quickly segment your database and target specific customer groups, which is essential for customer success. The software also integrates seamlessly with other tools like Gmail, Slack, and Google Calendar. This makes it even easier to track conversations, schedule meetings, and send follow-up reminders directly from the CRM. By consolidating everything into one platform, you can eliminate the need for switching between multiple apps, keeping all of your customer interactions organized. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Folk CRM offers powerful collaboration features that enable teams to work together efficiently. You can leave notes, assign tasks, and share client information with colleagues, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. This is especially useful for customer success teams who need to stay on top of client needs and ensure a personalized experience. Another feature I love about Folk is its easy-to-use automation capabilities. You can automate follow-up emails, task assignments, and reminders. This means you can stay in constant contact with clients and ensure no opportunity falls through the cracks, an essential part of customer success. And if you're someone who loves data, Folk CRM has you covered. The analytics dashboard lets you track important metrics like customer retention, deal progress, and team performance. With these insights, you can refine your strategy, adjust goals, and improve your customer success efforts continuously. The best part is that you can start using Folk CRM completely for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can try out all of these features and more without spending a dime by using the link below. Not only that, but with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have access to an extended trial period to fully experience everything Folk CRM has to offer. So, whether you're a small business or part of a larger organization, Folk CRM is an incredibly versatile tool for managing customer relationships and driving success. By keeping things simple and user-friendly, it ensures that your customer success efforts are not only effective, but also scalable. Remember, check out the link in the description below to claim your exclusive extended trial. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to transform your customer relationship management. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.